So this is Willie Veneris, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Academic Search Premier, which is an online database to find academic journals and articles using Boolean phrases and keywords to find articles of interest. There might be some trial and error here. We might find some phrases that don't yield any results, so we'll just have to see how it goes, but I'm pretty confident that it'll work. My research article of interest, or my research topic of interest, is the 1918 influenza pandemic and its economic and societal impacts. So we're going to start by just looking up 1918 influenza pandemic and the economic impacts, keyword economics. So we'll find all articles about that include anything related to economics. So if we search, it's going a little slowly. So we found 28 articles. So they'll range probably from things about the economic effects to different economic classes affected from the article, age-specific mortality during the 1918 influenza pandemic, evidence. So maybe we're specific. Maybe we're interested in the United States. So we'll add that. Let's see if that narrows anything down for us. So here we'll add economic as well. See if that gives us anything else. Maybe a little bit more. Great. So we were interested in the United States. This is going to give us a range of different articles. Pandemic economics, that sounds like a great one. So now you might be wondering how we can even further narrow our search. So maybe we want to say only articles done in the last 10 years because we're interested in modern day forecasting of what a pandemic might look like. So if you did the last 10 years, let's just go from 2010. You can change that by moving this bar or using the relevance and sorting from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. You can also use this sidebar here to click on full text, which might mean that you'll only get things that you'll actually have availability to. Here I'm allowed to use things from the Wake Forest library database that they have access to. Some of them may, see these say PDF full text, so it means we can access them, but some of them may not, as you need access to another type of database or scholarly journal that requires some sort of subscription that I may not have. You can also choose by source, so publication, publisher, whether it's a magazine, journal article, which will really help you narrow down what type of sources you want to find. So if you're looking for a more casual source, you might choose a magazine, and so on. So now if we want to look at how to cite it, you can look at the article. You can find the full print down here. But over here, we can find things like citations, and creating a link and printing to export and things like that. So if there is a citation, which there is, you can find citations over here from the bibliography and the citation of the actual article itself, which all the information, source type, the authors, publishers, things like that, all the things you might need to actually cite the article yourself. Now let's check if there's anything else. I think that's all. So that's how you would use it by keywords. Mine are United States and economic because that's what I'm interested in. That should be all. Thank you.